Okay, so we've successfully installed the Cykelstrom app. The first time the program runs, we need to read the end user license agreement. Once you've read the end user license agreement, tap on Accept. Now we need to set permission for storage access, set permissions for background location, set permissions for the Bluetooth scan, and then agree that we're going to ride safely. So currently the phone is sitting on a flat level surface, and what we need to do is we need to calibrate the phone and set some ride parameters. Go to the upper right hand corner and tap on the three dots, or that's called the kebab, and tap on Set Ride Parameters. I'm doing this demonstration indoors on a trainer, so I'm going to leave the wind direction at 0, wind velocity at 0. The weight of the cyclist today is 210.4 pounds. And the weight of my bicycle is 24 pounds. And the wheel size in meters, or the wheel circumference, is 2.105 meters, which is the circumference of the wheel for a 700C by 28 tire, which is on the bicycle that I'm riding today. And the next thing that I want to do, since my phone is on a flat level surface, is calibrate the sensors inside. So I press Calibrate. When the calibration is finished, the button will turn green. And then at this point, we need to save our information. It takes us back to the first screen. Now, this next step is optional for people that are subscribers or users of the Strava application. If you have Strava already installed on your phone, you can press the three dots or kebab, go to Strava, automatically upload data to Strava, put a check mark there, and then get a pre-authorization from Strava by pressing Connect with Strava. The pre-authorization with Strava will take you to a Strava page where then you press Authorize, and Strava will have sent an authorization code to the Cykelstrom app. On some phones, however, they want you to be able to determine where the URL redirect goes. So in this case, you want to open with Cykelstrom and tap Always. Okay? Now, when we use the Cykelstrom app, it will automatically upload our data to Strava if you have that option enabled. The next thing that we want to do is go to the upper right hand corner, or the three dots at the kebab, and I'm going to go to Settings. Under Settings, we see that we have different selections. Because we're doing it indoors, I want to disable the weather data because there's no wind indoors. I'm going to leave the lap timer alone, and because I'm doing an indoor trainer, I'm going to select Use Speed Sensor and use a cadence sensor. I'm also going to leave the extra spreadsheet.csv checked. The spreadsheet.csv is a comma-separated value file, or in other words, you can save a file so you can upload your data to, say, an Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to go ahead and hit the back button. And now we're ready to mount the phone on the bicycle in the portrait mode where the top of the phone is facing forward. I'm on the bicycle, and you'll notice that the grade percentage shows something like 29.2% grade. That's because my phone mount on my bicycle is angled at a desirable viewing angle. So what I need to do before we ride is, with the bicycle on a flat level surface, put my weight on the handlebars and I press the red dot. You see that the grade goes to 0%. Anything plus or minus 0.5% is acceptable. You may not get it exactly 0 every time. So now what we need to do is that if we have Bluetooth sensors, like a speed sensor and a cadence sensor like we selected, and I also am wearing a heart rate monitor, we need to be able to tell Cykelstrom that we want to use those sensors, and they have to find the sensors. Go to the upper right hand corner, click on the 3 dots, go to Find Bluetooth Sensors, and start pedaling. So you can see it found all 3 sensors. Click on each one to make a green check mark. Save sensors. After the data has populated all of the data windows, in order to change the average for the power, just tap the data window where you see the power measurement. Now you can see we're at a 10-second average. 20 seconds, 1 second, 3 seconds, finally back to 5 seconds. To change the lap number, just press on the lap timer window. See, we're at lap 1. Now I've just changed to lap 2. And you can see that the time is reset. Press it again. Lap 3. And so on. Let's say we want to take a break and we just want to pause. Just press the pause button. Okay. And then all of the data windows, except for the heart rate, will show you their averages. I want to continue. Press the start button. You can see that the lap timer incremented. And now while I ride, if I come to a hill and I want to see how much power is going into the hill, how much rolling resistance there is, how much power is being used in wind resistance, all I have to do is swipe left. I swipe left, you can see the wind power, power going into the grade, and rolling resistance. To get back to the original screen, just swipe right. Now we're back to the original screen. Now once we're done with the ride, I press pause. And now I would like to save my data. So I press the blue Save button. Press Save. You can see that the data has automatically been uploaded to Strava, if that's enabled. Press Save again. And now we're ready to start a new ride. I hope this video was helpful and informative on how to get started using the Cykelstrom app. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me at support@cykelstrom.com. Take care.